Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm vlogging and I'm in St. Thomas. So my home because my house.
Early face, steam out.
Well, now you know. Somebody's about to cook some stewed peas.
Yeah.
Or rice and peas.
Scallion and salmon, garlic and peas. You're going to season the pot. Yes.
She's going like she's a big chef, you know. Over there she start cook.
I'm a bad.
My Rosanja wash plate. Good morning, Rosanja.
Morning.
I look like you know wash I plate them, so.
Huh?
You know wash I plate them?
Yeah.
You don't look happy. And what's the matter? I wash I plate them. Yeah, so those are doing. Today is Sunday and I'll be here for the week. So I guess you guys will be getting vlogs every day, maybe. Let us see. And June I met one bag of nice. My neighbor the colors.
I don't do it.
A son. June are there.
No.
Today, hot. I need to go pick my Aki. So yeah, waste time. I make Aki. I go pick my Aki. I was just saying hi to my cousins. Yeah. My cousin lives next door to my mommy's house, so yeah. Aki. For those who don't know Aki, this is Aki. I'm gonna pick them. I'm gonna need somewhere to put them. I wanna pick them out the door. I wanna pick them out the door, but I'm gonna have nowhere to put them. On the table. I know. Maybe my first put it inside. I'll put it around. Put it around. I don't know if I put uno now, so for sure no put it okay. Alright, so let's go see if we can do this with one hand. So I can come in a pod like this. It's normally closed and then you open when them ripe. I just say ripe, I don't know. Or when they fold them open up. So you do is pick them out of the pod. I'm using my one hand, so bear with me. So you pick them out of the pod and this is what you eat, but you don't eat it like this. So normally a 3 or 4 come in a pod, so these are them. And then you need to get the top seed head, whatever you call it, off of it. So you can use a knife or you can use a hand and pull it off like that. And then there's normally something in the middle. Let me see if none of them have it. That pinkish thing in the middle. Alright, so I could pop off this one. Popped off. And then you clean out what's in the middle of the Aki. So whatever in the middle you clean it out. If you wanna get it, because I'm a one hand may use. So let me see if I can find one with something in the middle. Let me see if we can find something with one in the middle. Because sometimes they come out when you open the pod. They come out. Alright, see one here. Oh, it come out. So this is what sometimes get in the middle. This, here it closer. This part, sometimes it's tucked in the middle of the aki. So you just clean it out of it. So get the seed off and clean out in the aki. You can use the knife because you see me have the knife prepared to do it, but because I use my one hand, I use my hand. And sometimes it depends on the type of akis, because some akis are tougher than others, so you have to do it with the knife. This aki is seemingly alright, where it opens easily and it cleans out easily. So this is a cleaned aki. We'll get this out of it. Yes, so this is a clean aki. This is a normal aki without it being clean. You see the pink thing in there? Yeah, so you need to get it out. So you get it out and the seed. And then you get it out like that. See? You get out that part. That's what you get out of the aki. And then that's a clean aki. So when we finish, we'll get back to you guys, because we need to do this and focus on it.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
All of them pick now. Yeah. All of them. And these are the pods. Some of them are rotten. These are the ones I got from it. Some I don't know. I'm gonna make mommy cook aki. So we'll talk later after I'm gonna finish cook aki or something. Maybe I don't know if I show no how I aki cook or whatever. Maybe I should. Since I show know what aki is, I need to show know how it cook, right? Or how them prepare it. So that's our next step for today. Show know how aki prepare. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we're ready to do that. Do you never go to Auntie Marcia a while ago?
No, I don't want to go.
Why? Because Auntie Marcia boring.
No. Because the AC got to let me cold.
Shana, have your sweater? Now you come down here in a big sweater.
But I don't forgot to bring my shirt out with me.
Alright, I hear you.
And that, and I watched a video with you and Evan. And you play a trick with him, and Evan play a trick with you.
Okay.
And that is my end of the story.
You did tell a story? Alright. That's a nice story for you. And that's my cousin Roshika.
Hi guys.
Mommy and Evan left me here. We go boil ackee someday. Boil ackee while then go the market go buy onion and something. Yeah, no more. You tell them one story. Which story you gonna tell them?
One more story?
But you know, I don't want to tell them one good story. Tell them one story about when you give yourself trouble. You ready? You have to come here some because they need to see your clothes. Wait, come here. I'm gonna put it up there. Tell them the story quick and fast.
I get trouble this morning and my auntie have to beat me and my aunt because
What kind of trouble did I give?
Because I don't want to pick up the leaf.
Oh, so you want to stay home and live comfortable and you don't want to pick up your leave them so auntie son beat you?
I pick up the leaves, wash my clothes.
You wash your clothes?
Yeah.
Where you wash?
My socks.
But you go, that is not clothes.
And spread my bed.
You're supposed to spread your bed.
Then I eat my breakfast.
So what I'm to when you get trouble at school? You not get trouble at school? You not get trouble at school, Shika?
Sometimes.
So what kind of trouble you giving in there at school?
Let me fight people.
Oh, and you not get no trouble?
Sometimes you get.
Who you fight? Tell me who you fight and what make you fight them?
I fight a girl named Jamaica. Because I fight them, because they told me about my mother and I talked to her about it, then I get a big fight with her.
So she tell you about your mother and then you tell her about both your mother and then you beat her up? Are you win the fight?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I miss myself to come party.
Are them big fight that you go on with? Till teacher have to come party you? So your teacher not beat you?
Yeah.
You get beaten from teacher? Does she beat you? In your hand? Or on your bottom?
In my hand, me too.
No.
And it be red.
You know you're not supposed to be fighting?
But that's she first.
Even if a she first, you're not supposed to be fighting anybody.
I should make me ask her. She asked me for my rubber. I'm not give her it. And then she tell me about it. And then we tell her about it back. And then we start fighting hard.
So you're a warrior.
And then she did.
So if one girl tell me about my mother, you beat her up for me?
Huh?
Why? You not beat her up for me? Me think me and your cousin.
Yeah, me, yeah, cousin.
But you not beat her up for me?
Yeah.
But are you a warrior? You must beat up everybody for everybody. Because you're the warrior in your family.
And she did grab me somewhere. Me no know if it be alone.
Oh. That's why you have so much crap on you. Because you fight so much.
And she let me drop outside.
No, me I tell Auntie Mixie.
No! Please, Caddy.
Please,
Me
Caddy.
know she couldn't come beat me when she come.
Why? You think so you have whole for beating if you get?
Caddy told her, you go up here when she come though.
Me I know. She go see video.
Because you put it on your phone.
Yeah, me I put it on YouTube.
No!
So you beat up people.
And I fight Rosanji too.
You fight Rosanji?
Yeah,
Oh,
we fight already. So
You fight me? When you fight
yeah,
me?
me did fight the
When you fight
day.
me?
Me did, Daddy,
When
me
did you
did
fight?
fight. Me did there when they did trouble me. When they did trouble me,
they're brothers and sisters, by the way.
and he did trouble me, but my mother and me start beat him. You did trouble me, but my mother.
So you beat up your big brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gonzales though.
And Dad, you can ask Bethany.
Yeah, real warrior. Yeah, Zena.
and me box Risha. And
Where you box Shana for?
she boxed me first, then me threw a stone for her.
Yeah, they use weapon? You stone Shana?
Yeah,
How what?
one big stone.
How are Shana do to you?
No, she. But mommy has
Say stone catch her?
Yeah.
You throw a stone by Shana?
Yeah.
How old are you again? How old are you?
9.
How what? And you start fling stone?
But they're gonna be 10 before.
How old Z now? No have over yourself? I'll be a worry now.
Are you? I am. Are you? You tell me about it already, so go on. I let mommy come beat me around there, so. And plus, thank you because that is my end.
That's the end of your story?
Yeah, bye guys.
Oh, wow. So I'm cooking the ackee, guys. So what you basically do, what I do is put garlic and thyme in the water, and then allow the water to boil, and then I put the ackee in the pot, and then I allow it to soften the ackee. So when the ackee is soft, that is when I remove it, and we cook it down with some saltfish or whatever meat you want to put in it, whatever protein, and you don't have to put any, with some onion and sweet pepper and powdered seasoning. So that's how that looks, and then we just wait till it gets soft, I guess. And that's where we are at now. So we wait on the ackee to soften.
This is Rashika.
Yes,
And I got him.
That one if you give way now eat it remain.
I was and my I didn't put it up me at it. I you see a sunrise and eat.
Make your arm
My ear got soup. I can see it. And my ear is going to come and I be nice.
yes, your face flopping in the camera.
Oh. My ear to my head big.
The head big.
Said I to the people them.
We go for face when you had the photo that I see. After that.
But Tony Havana black something on her
You know, you
face.
can have a shirt there.
I got to sing a song.
Which party is it?
Say lizard party. I want green lizard do.
The lizard that come to the one over there now.
Alright, let's say lizard they are grown. They run past the lizard them. Indigenous, so I'm big fat lizard.
I trade everything it up one time, you know.
What big fat green lizard? Look at this. Go remember. Around him, this is a big giant. What big fat lizard? You're right, that's so.
Most of the green lizard them after. I know green and silver.
Pass it come. So my ear going to pull out.
They're going like to have one blog.
Our black is coming off.
She got a bag.
I like how them are getting up.
I want green fat lizard. My ear is tight.
Hey, me can't manage, you know. Me can't manage. Sandy says the lizard gone, you know.
No man said, me not like them man. You see where they may go take up your pants then? The lizard go right there so just stuck so.
Yeah, you afraid of him. I'm afraid of you or you afraid of him? That one is stuck.
I just when they heal from bed to idea and me the lizard will say moving up, bet it look for the lizard.
Every time I see them, I'm frightened. Not. Shani want to say lizard big and fat.
Ground lizard.
If I want green lizard.
If I have green lizard, they think Sharon's out of here, man.
One green fat lizard, one green long fat lizard that will come.
You know what's about green lizard for? The mango tree around the corner, man. So she can't plan to start recording something?
Nope. I got to tell my summary. Mrs. Summary. But me no.
I'm not most.
I'm not sure your phone.
I'm not fit my summary now. One day, I go down the road. I catch one big fat fish. And I come up, come fry it. I come up, come fry it. Come up, come fry it. And put it at the window for cool. And a thieving cat can check me.
I'm going to find you. You have one cook shot.
And
you know, see shots they
put it off. Put it up.
Clean and cheap.
I'ma put it off the pool.
The shot it must be more be like booty if them are wear the shot
and then
eat the way I make now.
Wanna something there.
After
party,
the prince. Yeah. This second, the 8th of April, when coming again, I forgot to tell you.
All white though?
Yeah.
I'm not white, I'm not like white.
So guys saying I said something and I was sitting last time and mother say mother just buy it and wear full white. But something like I forgot to tell you no Petrina, I said I go tell you. And I forgot.
I'm not like white.
Yeah, I buy the color.
But I don't want to be the odd person. The people say all white. I'm not going to be like.
And this son tell you some way.
Yeah, but that's not the fun.
Tell you some
me about the lizard we just come. Rashi, tell your summary. Tell your summary now. Tell your summary. Tell your summary, Kadim. Tell your summary.
There was a lizard. I did not see him. I run. And that story.
No! No!
The one nice skin of three girls. Girl one hot. How you feel like?
Then I go wash my back and then I go beard.
You can't wash your hair. It's not hard.
It's hard for wash here.
You chat too much with me. After me, I beg for something for you, but it's hard.
I've enough dirt in my back, so shit.
So, yesterday, make it worse for yourself. I'm gonna tell you if you do. Get one self
Come up there, sir.
No, the top. You know, when you used to then now the kidney come on one side, do that. Make you feel hot. And you can twist or pat this next side.
And my summary is
Done? Your summary done? Yep.
no.
I like it, me there go do. Betty, where you at, man? Betty!
But yeah, I buy it, you can see.
Can't stop pushing the camera up in your nose. Come, turn it off now. Tell them bye.
Bye!
So I never got to show you guys how my mother prepared the Ackee sawfish. However, this is my breakfast / lunch because I was gone. She cut it off my camera. I don't have such foolishness. So this is it. Yeah, my favorite food. Ackee sawfish. Yeah, look good though. I know my mother make it. We expect. Hairstyle. If she feels she cute now. Shine did her hair.
Me pocket them heavy right now. Street a shell like a shelly rice now. The way some girl want to get in the link. If me say me know them ready right now. YGF up the semi right now. Say any boy violate that a berry right now. Cranberry with the any right now. And ganja to me ready right now. If you never realize, go far on the place. We lock down the place from Kingston to Rose Heights. Go far on the place. We lock down the place. All of me dogs them up. Me say road, me say bar them up. Me say peace, me say war them up. Me say cut, me say.
Hi guys, so I did not close out yesterday's vlog because I ended up shooting a video for my cousin that you would see in the previous clip. Well, yeah, for my cousin. They're a dance group. They're called Endeavors, and that is their new dance, Nice Time. So go check out their page and show them some love. Do the dance, put video up, hashtag Endeavors on Instagram, I guess. You can do that. So today is Monday and I'm going to Morants Bay with my cousin Cheyenne. But before I go up there, I have to go by the library where my mommy works because she left. Well, I'm not going there. I just gonna give her drop off her water and her tea because she left them this morning. So I'm gonna do that. And oh, we're gonna head to our aunt's house as well because she wants to pay her light bill for her. So we're gonna do that. So this is where I'm going to end this video, but I'll continue with another one. I'll continue with the next vlog.